Does the Fifth Amendment protect your phone passcode? Imagine being asked to unlock your phone in a criminal investigation. Do you have to give up your passcode? That's what many people wonder when it comes to their rights. The Fifth Amendment is meant to protect you from self-incrimination. But does that protection extend to your phone passcode? It's a tricky question because courts are still figuring out the answer. The Fifth Amendment says you don't have to testify against yourself. When it comes to a phone passcode, revealing it is usually considered testimonial because it shows what you know. It's like saying, "Yes, I know the code," which could link you to evidence of a crime. So many argue that forcing someone to give up their passcode is a form of self-incrimination and should be protected. However, not all courts agree. Some say that if the government already knows you have the phone and control it, asking for the passcode is like asking for a fact they already know. This is called the foregone conclusion doctrine. Under this idea, revealing the passcode isn't testimonial because it's just confirming what they already believe. Another important point is the difference between a passcode and biometric features like fingerprints or facial recognition. Courts generally say that unlocking a phone with a fingerprint or face isn't protected by the Fifth Amendment because it's a physical act, not communication. But asking for a passcode is different because it involves sharing knowledge, which is speech protected by the Constitution. From a criminal defense point of view, lawyers often argue that forcing a person to give their passcode is like forcing them to testify. This can be a strong way to challenge the evidence in court. The government usually needs a warrant to search a phone, but compelling the passcode is a separate issue. Right now, the legal landscape is unsettled. Different courts have different rulings, and the Supreme Court has not yet made a final decision on this issue. Until then, defense attorneys relying on local laws and the specific facts of each case. In summary, the Fifth Amendment can protect your phone passcode, but it depends on the court and the circumstances. The best defense is to argue that giving up the passcode is a testimonial act and should be protected. This way, your rights against self-incrimination are upheld, and you don't have to give up information that could harm you in court.